What's going on, guys? MixedSid here, back again for another cocktail. And today's cocktail, guys, is the Cuba Libre. It's because basically it's a rum and coke, and it basically means free Cubas. Because it dates back to 1898 with the American-Spanish Wars. Because it was for the Independence of Cuba. Because that's where its origins start from. So to make a Cuba Libre, basically it's just rum and coke. So get your coke. We're using the Coca Cola, as I wouldn't use any other brand for this. So the first ingredient, guys, is 100ml, just over 3 ounces of Coca Cola. I think I could do a bit more actually. Next ingredient, guys, is 60ml or 2 ounces of Bacardi Rum. And now we'll give it a little stir. The final thing basically is to garnish it with 2 lime slices. And there we go, 1 Cuba Libre, a taste of independence. How does it taste? Absolutely delicious. Because if you love rum and coke, as I know JSGC does, you'll love this. Because with it tastes with the lime as well, it's beautiful. Simple and effective, rum and coke, can't beat it, and that is the Cuba Libre. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MixedSid, and I will see you guys for the next cocktail video. Cheers!